This video from Casio Help, we're going to take a quick look at using PLUs on the SR-S4000 register. So on the machine you have a PLU button and you can program PLUs on the machine. PLU stands for price lookup, so it's really an individual product with its own description and price. So if you wanted to sell PLU number 1 in the reg mode, 1 PLU, and then it'll bring up that product and that price. So I've got orange 50p. Repeat the process for each of your PLUs and it'll just keep totting them up like a normal sale. If you've sold a large amount of a particular PLU, then to save typing it in over and over again, you can hit the quantity, press your multiply button and then enter your PLU. So that was quantity, so 8, then times, and then free PLU to sell 8 bananas. As with all transactions, once you've entered all the items, it's subtotal, and then how you cash the sale off depends on the method of payment. So if they're paying by credit card, you would simply hit the CH button here, or if they're paying in cash, best practice is to type in the amount of money without pressing decimal point, and then press your CA amount 10 button here. The reason for this is that the change is then displayed on screen and also on the receipt. Another thing to remember about your PLUs is then you can actually run a report in the X or Z mode, which will show you how many of each PLU you've sold since the last time you did a resetting Z PLU report. For more information on using the SR-S4000 and other Casio cash registers, you can click on any of the video links that are appearing on screen now. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel, or for full information you can visit casiohelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.